Alright, it's Wednesday, September 5th, 2018. Just had Labor Day, and they are chemtrailing the living heck out of us right now. Everywhere you see, in fact, I'm going to go on a 360 here. All what you see is chemtrails. Now here's a nice X. They drew a X, marks the spot right there. And they're just laying the chemtrails down heavy today. I'll see if I can catch a fresh plane, but I don't see a fresh plane right now. But I'm gonna go 360. Look at these lines over here. These are all chemtrails, people. These are not normal clouds. I don't care what the lamestream media tells you. I don't care when you Google chemtrails, you get all those, ooh, conspiracy. That's the first thing that pops up. That's what the deep state wants you to think. The deep state, the CIA, NSA, whatever it is, that want you to believe that this is normal clouds. It's not. These are chemtrails. These are aluminum, barium, strontium lines of death, people. This aluminum and barium and strontium will waft down into your lungs, into your water, into your food, into the soil. It all, what goes up must come down, and it's gonna waft down eventually. And they tell you that it's geoengineering. It's done to block the rays of the sun to prevent global warming. That's what they'll see. Now, for you people that just don't believe me, go ahead and go to Harvard website. There's a geoengineering Harvard website that talks about geoengineering. I've got another video that shows the director of the CIA explaining stratospheric injections. They call it that, stratospheric injection with weather manipulation. And they can control the weather like this too. They can make it rain, they can make it not rain. And all of this aluminum oxide that wafts down is one of the biggest reasons that the fires in California are just out of control, because aluminum burns, and it burns hot. And I don't know if barium burns, I have no idea, or strontium, but barium and strontium causes cancer, by the way. And of course aluminum causes dementia and Alzheimer's. Dementia and Alzheimer's are inching their way up to the #1 cause of death in the world. Look it up. In England right now, London, England, I think it is, the #1. Oh, there's a fresh plane. London, England, the #1 cause of death right now is dementia or Alzheimer's. #1, which means they get sprayed like crazy. And if you Google London or England chemtrails, you'll see all the chemtrails in London, England. Now here, I've got a fresh chemtrails planes coming right at me. I'm gonna stay on him for a little bit. Let me see if I can zoom in on him. But there's a fresh plane right now. You can see him. With this camera, that's the closest I can get on a zoom. But he will eventually come right over the top of me, and I'll stay with him as long as I can. Let's see, hopefully I got him. I've got to increase the brightness on this camera. Got enough traffic here in this little stupid town. Alright, let's see. I think I got it. I think that zoomed in. There we go. That's as far as I can go. It's a 4x zoom. He's kind of right over the top of my head here. I'm going to turn the camera so I can get them as much as I can. But here's the fresh chemtrails plane. It's coming right over my head right now. And they've been spraying like this all day. And what happens is this line of aluminum, barium, and strontium spreads out and creates the fake clouds that you see that block the sun. Poison our environment. And you can see that he changed the formula there. You see, it's really thick and it got thin. That's sticking up. I don't know if he changed formula or what that was, but I'm glad I caught it. Put it in the comments what you think that was. Oh, look at that. There's another one. I missed it. And they're crisscrossing right now. I'm gonna go. Oh, unbelievable. Alright, so another one came from the other way. I missed it, and they're crisscrossing. They're gonna crisscross right there. Look at that. So a whole nother plane came from the other way. I missed it. Looks like he started spraying right there. And then he came there. Another one is above me. Yep, you can see. I'm glad I caught him. There they go. There's a crisscross right there. And that one's continuing the other way. Crisscrossing the sky. And look at that line. It's thick, thick, thick. Stops. Thins out. And now he's right above my head. Looks like he ran out of fluid. Looks like this one actually ran out. Look at that. So this guy ran out of fluid. And right there. So I'm going to zoom in. So this guy ran out of fluid right there. Ran out of his chemtrail crap. And now he's empty. Look at that. Or he stopped. Or he just stopped spraying. So there's 100% proof of chemtrails. This guy right here ran out of fluid. Right there. This is amazing. I caught it. There. He ran out of fluid right there. Now what are you debunkers going to say about that? It's all solid line to that point, and then it's completely empty. The guy is dry. Completely ran out. This guy looks like he started right there, and he's continuing on. He's still spraying strong over there, and they're really concentrating the spray over there. You can see now he's got plenty of fluid left, plenty of chemtrail death crap. This guy was strong, 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 got a little weaker, and he ended right there. He ran out of fluid right there. You can see it plain as day. He ran out of his chemtrail soup, and he's completely empty, and he's continuing on over there. And how can any debunker look at that and say that, oh well, maybe the temperature changed right there, or whatever. Chemtrails are real, people. There's proof right there. It ended right there. And then he flew off with nothing. So he either stopped spraying right there, or he ran out of fluid. One or the other. The other guy started spraying about right there, and continued on and on and on, and he's still spraying. He's off into the big chemtrail soup clouds right now. You can't see him anymore. But there's another crisscross. X marks the spot right there. Just like over here. This is the X marks the spot too. I'll zoom back out. Here's the X marks the spot too. And yep. Now you've got, there it's spread out. That was just a single line. It's spread out. And here you go. Wednesday, ChemAggeddon. Armageddon, Chemtrails ChemAggeddon. Here we go. This is just insane. This is genocide. This is crimes against humanity. I don't care what they say about It's unbelievable. Chemtrails right there. He started spraying. I think I accidentally turned this thing off. Alright, this guy flew right here, kind of ran out there a little bit, and then ran out of chemtrails right there. There's 100% proof of chemtrails. He flew this way, ran out, and then it stopped right there, and he continued on. So 100% proof of chemtrails everywhere you look. This is just craziness. There's chemtrails everywhere. And the plane started right there, flew this way, kind of ran out there a little bit, and then went right there and ran out completely, and then he just continued to fly. So there's Chemtrails Wednesday. It's everywhere. Signing off. Alright, this guy just started spraying right there. It's going right up here. And he kind of stopped. Spotty. He's completely dry there. He's completely empty. And then look at that. So it's like he sprayed a little bit and then stopped. X marks the spot right there.